Hello, everybody. Welcome back to your pretty decent cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin pretty stable here above the trend line so far. We are finding that resistance at the 200-day and this prior high. We need to get over that before people, I think, are really going to start believing in this rally. But so far, things are functioning well. I know I have a lot of lines on here. Most of them mean something. A few of them could go away. But for the most part, we're crossing this trend line. We're above this trend line. We kind of bounced off this trend line. Now crossing this one, we have to wait to get past this one. And so it is a little ways away, but so far so good. Able to cross the 60,697, although it definitely took a beating with the Fed meeting the other day. And it looks like we're pretty solid. We're getting a little bit of selling pressure. We should be able to contain it, as it looks like it's already being contained, not really making a new lower low up here, just kind of double bottoming and hopefully moving up. The market's looking better. Speaking of looking better, Solana rallied almost all the way up to the trend line after bouncing off of the low and looking pretty solid. I'm looking for a nice consolidation here at some point. Could happen over the weekend. I do have to say this market seems to want to rally when the stock market is not open. That's what I've noticed pretty much this week, at least since the Fed. It rallied after the market closed on Fed Day. It rallied after the market closed yesterday. So it's kind of running counter to when Wall Street is open, which could bode for a run during the weekend here. All right, on to top altcoins, which are looking better. Sui and TAO, they were the actual top two out of the top 100, both well in the top 50, as a matter of fact, 28 and 34. Looking good. When you see coins this low or high in the rankings run, it's a good sign for the market overall. Says there's big money in play. Big money invests in big coins. They usually don't invest in the garbage meme tokens. So Sui here with excellent volume the past several weeks. As a matter of fact, we've had an alert at 107, and it's been performing beautifully after a little bit of shenanigans there, but there's always a little bit of shenanigans. And yeah, it's looking pretty solid here, trying to get back to recent highs, which may be all-time highs. And if we can do good, I think we'll be breaking past those all-time highs. Not much to do now, though, as it's pretty fully extended at this point. And TAO, TAO, something kind of similar. We're a little bit extended. Also, a pretty good structure, not as good a volume signature, but able to bounce off of these lows. And overall, I think what I've just showed you is indicative that the market is coming back. That's the most important part over any trade or potential trade on the show today, is the market's coming back. So you're going to have to start paying attention. You're going to have to look for good entries, look for tight stops. I think you do start to get more active. So yeah, all in all, pretty good today. It is Friday, and like any good Friday, I'm going to take off a little bit early, ladies and gentlemen. That's all I have. I don't have any major trades for you. I think we'll see some setups, though, in the next couple days, couple of weeks, and I look forward to pointing those out to everyone. So, all right, everyone, have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday on Altcoin Buzz Trading.